An arthritis diagnosis doesn't mean the end of your fun. Arthritis is a common condition which affects the joints, bones, and digits and makes them difficult to move without causing pain. While it typically appears during late adulthood, it can strike people of all ages, even children. The arthritis tips and tricks in this video may make it easier for you to understand and cope with the condition. Be sure to get enough exercise and that you are doing the right kinds of exercise. People with arthritis should choose exercises that support and strengthen the joints, such as swimming, instead of exercises that damage them, such as running. Failing to exercise can also increase joint stiffness and pain. People with arthritis are dealing with both chronic pain and chronic fatigue. Set priorities for your day and stick to them. There will only be so much you can accomplish on a bad day. Figure out what's most important and focus on getting that done, instead of trying to fight the pain and fatigue and do everything anyway. Take your time with major cleanup tasks if arthritis is a part of your life. Major cleaning tasks, like mopping and changing bed sheets, put a strain on your body. They involve the use, and sometimes overuse, of several different muscles and joints. Take a break when you can, or better yet, ask for help. You don't have to do it all in one day. Squeeze tubes are your friends when living with arthritis. Buy them whenever you have the option. Whether it is the mayonnaise or jelly, opening a jar is a difficult task when your hands hurt. Buy a squeeze tube instead and the task will be much easier to accomplish. This means less pain in the kitchen and a more enjoyable day. When properly managed, you can greatly reduce the uncomfortable signs and symptoms that are associated with arthritic conditions. Although there is no cure for the disease, the advice in this video is sure to offer insight into the various options for treating or eliminating the pain, aches, and soreness that is caused by arthritis. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.